Ever felt like you had to eat crow? Or maybe you're ready to eat someone's lunch and dominate. You must be wondering what happened to me today. I'm talking about eating crows and eating someone's lunch. And what is all this fetish about eating? What if I tell you we are not just talking about food here? In fact, these are some very powerful idioms, expressions using the word eat that convey a completely altogether different meaning than eating. Welcome to Fluency Girls. I'm Mandeep, your English coach, and today in this lesson we are diving deep into these 10 powerful idioms using the word eat. I hope by the end of this lesson you'll eat up every detail of it and use these idioms in your daily conversations. But before we begin this lesson, I want to humbly request you, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe and hit that bell icon. Sometimes the algorithm just doesn't show my videos to you. So if you push that bell icon, it will help you getting notified about the videos. And yes, I do appreciate your comments. Your one like to the video can make a lot of difference to this video's promotion. So let's begin. The first idiom is eat someone alive. Eat someone alive. This idiom is simply used when you are talking about a situation when someone is criticizing and overpowering the another person completely. Like sometimes the bosses in the company, they over criticize you and overpower you completely. That time they are eating someone alive. If you don't have your facts straight, the interviewer will eat you alive. So be prepared for the interview. The opposing team is really strong. They'll eat us alive if we are not careful. Have you ever eaten someone alive? Comment below and let me know. Eat your words. Eat your words. Sometimes we say something and later we realize that we were wrong. That time we have to admit our mistake of what we said. So we have to eat our words there. So when you eat your words, you are admitting that you are wrong. I thought the new restaurant wouldn't be good, but I had to eat my words. The food was really amazing. She said the project would fail, but now that it is a success, she'll have to eat her words. Eat out of someone's hand. Eat out of someone's hand. When you are eating out of someone's hand, that means you are in complete control of that another person. Or if someone is eating out of your hand, that person is in complete control of you. So the teachers in school, they usually have this complete control over their classroom. My class teacher is a strict disciplinarian. Everyone in the class eats out of her hand. Have you ever had such a teacher? He's so persuasive. Everyone in the office eats out of his hands. That means whatever he says, whatever he commands, everyone just follows it. Everyone does the same. Be careful with him. He can make anyone eat out of his hand with his charm. Next is eat crow. Eat crow. When you eat crow, that means you are admitting that you were wrong, and that admittance comes with humiliation. So you feel humiliated in admitting there that you were wrong. The astrologer was so confident in his prediction, but it didn't happen. So I guess he'll have to eat crow now. After losing the bet, he had to eat crow in front of all his friends. She was so arrogant about her abilities. But now she'll have to eat crow after failing the test. So you generally have that friend who is always boasting and gloating about the abilities that he or she has, and later on when actual test comes, they fail. So that time they have to eat crow because they have to face that humiliation. Eat humble pie. Eat humble pie. When you eat humble pie, that means you are admitting to your defeat and you are very humble about it. Remember, when you eat crow, you are humiliated to admit your mistake. You associate it with humiliation. You are admitting that you were wrong and it comes with humiliation. When you are eating humble pie, there you are admitting defeat. Somebody defeated you, won over you, and you are admitting that defeat very humbly. When his idea didn't work, he had to eat humble pie and accept the alternative. The husband had to eat the humble pie and admit to his wife that he was wrong about the decision. Eat up something. When you eat up something or you end up eating up something, that means you have enjoyed the thing completely. So associate it with some entertainment. The audience really ate up the comedian's jokes. That means they thoroughly enjoyed the comedian's jokes. So this can be used with the food, literally also. The children ate up all the ice cream. But as an expression, it can be used with entertainment form or with something that you completely enjoyed. She was so interested in his story that she ate up every detail of it. Eat someone's lunch. Eat someone's lunch. When you eat someone's lunch, it doesn't literally mean that you are eating that you are eating their food from their box. But it means that you have outdone them, you have defeated them completely, especially in business. The new online store is really eating competition's lunch with its low prices. He's a rising star. He's definitely going to eat his colleague's lunch to get ahead. Eat, sleep, and breathe something. When you eat, sleep, and breathe something, that means you are fully engrossed, fully absorbed in that thing. And you are extremely passionate about it. So if you say that someone eats, sleeps, and breathes his work, you mean that they are incredibly dedicated to their work. His music is so astounding. It's because he eats, sleeps, and breathes music. Eat like a horse. Eat like a horse. When you eat like a horse, that means you are very hungry, you are famished, and you are eating a lot in large quantities. Whenever I come from the gym, I eat like a horse. He always eats like a horse, no matter what's on the menu. The complete opposite of eat like a horse is eat like a bird. That means to eat very little. It's a myth that the fashion models only eat like a bird. Sometimes they also enjoy their meals, don't they? What do you think? She's trying to lose weight. So she only eats like a bird at meals. So that was all about the idioms using the word eat. I hope that you eat up the lesson completely and you are going to use these idioms in your everyday conversations. If you have liked this lesson, please don't forget to hit that like button and do share it with your friends to maximize the reach. And if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, I urge you hit that subscribe button. It really helps. I'll see you next time with another lesson. Till then, happy learning.